Brett Winterble here from 760 KFMB, and I'm getting ready to work here at the Glock store with my man Matt as we get ready, session 3 of 4, as I prepare for the Glock store open house shoot your mouth off competition between me and Mark Larson. I'm going to beat you, Mark Larson. I'm going to beat you bad. Now, I'm excited to be here today, Matt, because I'm saying we're going to run and gun and jump and shoot and slide and all that. Is that all going to happen now when we do it?
Something close to that. But yeah, we will be moving and shooting today. That's going to be the nucleus of what we'll be doing for the competition. So we can do some moving and shooting today, and we're going to touch on the basics first just so we're comfortable with it all.
Okay, but if we were jumping around and sliding, am I better than Larson? I'm a little brave for Larson.
Close.
Close?
Close.
I'll take it.
It's real close.
I'll take it. Mark Larson, I'm better than you. Matt says, I'm better than you. I'm looking forward to it. September 21st at the Glock store. Shoot your mouth off competition. Me and Mark Larson. Let's get going.
Let's get it on. Out. That was so from the draw, man. You drew and fired one shot at .86. That's under 1 second. That's phenomenal. Hits all over the board.
I just finished up my 3rd of 4 lessons with Matt. I'm feeling really good about what we did today. Got a lot accomplished in anticipation to shoot your mouth off with Mark Larson here at the Glock store, September 21st. So how'd I do? 3 of 4, 1 lesson left. We should be able to knock it out of the park, right?
You did all right, brother.
Yeah?
Steady tracking.
Steady tracking?
Steady
So
tracking.
we're good for 1 more hour. 1 hour, we're good.
So I might suggest that our last session be 4 hours.
4 hours?
4 hours.
Wow, 4 hours. I got it. I'll do what it takes.
A little extra boost.
A little extra boost. I'm ready. I'll tell you what. We're going to run, jump, and slide. I'm going to slide.
You know what? You do have the advantage sliding under things because you got that fun size going for you, baby.
Me and Mark Larson, Glock store, September 21st. I'm going to win.
Let's do it. All right.